Good day everybody. Today we are going to open this or unbox and do a simple review regarding this Boya Lavalier mic. This is BY-M1. Currently why I purchased this Lavalier mic because sometimes I record during I'm driving and the GoPro is facing behind me, so the voice is very low. So I purchased this to lay one cable over and then I can talk during I'm driving. The sound will be more clearer, and I buy this with a bargain price that is 43 ringgit. I purchased it at Shopee. So if you are interested, you can click on the link below. I don't make any earning on this, just to promote helping people to save money. This is 43 ringgit, and then there's other that have 10 or maybe 5 ringgit that after transportation it will cost you 14 or 15. But why I buy this, because this have dual function. You can use it at mobile and you can use it as well as on the camera. Very simple design, and this is the reason why I buy it. Let's open the box now. This is what you get inside the bag, or the the microphone. This is the box. We have one user manual here, a warranty card, a pouch to carry them, 3.5 to I think it's 4.5 normal head jack, a clip, a foam, a wind covering, and a battery here. This is a dry something, keep it dry. This is the main microphone. See here. Oops. Total length for the camera, for the cable, no camera, is 6 meter long. Wow, very long cable. So this is the information here, how they record them. This is how the mic work. I don't know how real is real, but never mind. I've been using Boya mic for some time already. The quality is quite okay, and it's also budget friendly one. The battery will be using this, wait I don't know you can see or not, it's LR44 lah. One battery, don't know how long can it last. I think manual do have how long does it last, but normally I don't use. If I don't use for recording, I'll take out the battery lah, just in case the water leak, there's some chemical leak and then damage my microphone. We will now install the battery. First, unlock the battery compartment. This is the battery compartment. Okay, this is plus side, this is minus, just push it in. The battery, if you finish already, then just take it out. The battery have one hook there. You have to use your fingernail to pull it up, or other things to take it out. It's not easy, but okay lah, still able to do it. Remember to bring a stick or something to peel it up. So now we are closing the microphone cover, battery cover. So this one is the top. The button to the top is for normal camera. The button to the below is for the smartphone. So I'm not sure what the battery do inside here. Just use it by following the instruction there. Mic testing. This is not the BY mic. This is the boom mic with this so-called my Boya boom mic. So testing 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4. So we are now connected to this Boya mic. So testing 1 2 3 4, testing 1 2 3 4. So now testing again with the foam on. Yeah. So test 1 2 3 4, testing 1 2 3 4. Is it better? So this is the review for this so-called Boya Lavalier mic. If you like my video, please click on like and subscribe, and stay tuned for my next video. Please click a like, please.